Plotly, how to make a 3D stacked histogram. I have several histograms that I succeeded to plot using Plotly like this. I would like to create something like this 3D stacked histogram, but with a difference that each 2D histogram inside is a true histogram and not just a hard-coded line. My data is of the form 0.50.40.50.70.4, so using histogram directly is very convenient. Note that what I am asking is not similar to this and therefore also not the same as this. In the matplotlib example, the data is presented directly in a 2D array, so the histogram is the third dimension. In my case, I wanted to feed a function with many already computed histograms.
The snippet below takes care of both binning and formatting of the figure so that it appears as a stacked 3D chart using multiple traces of go.scatter3d and np.histogram. The input is a data frame with random numbers using np.random.normal50, 5, size equals 300, we can talk more about the other details if this is something you can use. Plot 1, angle 1. Plot 2, angle 2. Complete code.
Unfortunately, you can't use go.histogram in a 3D space, so you should use an alternative way. I used go.scatter3d and I wanted to use the option to fill line doc, but there is an evident bug. See.